Smart recorders. There are many of them. I wanted to try one of the cheapest I could find on Amazon. So I got the OAQ AI smart recorder, 64 gigabytes AI speech processing powered by ChatGPT 4.0 with app control for students, creatives, and journalists. It claims its list is $135 and the price on Amazon is $55. I'll put the link in. Let's unbox it and look at this thing. All right, here we go. There's that. Okay. Here's the front. I'm going to cover up the serial number on the back, show you the back. There we go. All right. OEQ AI processor. Warning, lithium battery inside. Okay. Open it. Trying to have fancy packaging. Okay. Kind of cute. There we go. Hidden underneath. Little booklet written for somebody under 40 years old. Charging cable. Little bag. Charging cable. Some gizmos in that too. Oh, little ring. Hope it attached to the back. An adapter. That's cool. Okay. And the charging cable. It has its own little charging. Looks like you probably don't get USB-C happily on something like this. No, you don't. You have to keep track of that little cable. Don't expect everything for this price point. Okay, there it is. We're going to follow the instructions and charge it for a bit. The difference between more expensive design usually is there's a USB-C. But cheaper, you got your own little magnetic. Not too bad, but still, that's it. That's how it looks. And the idea is it's to fit on the back of your phone. There it is, magnetically attached to the back of my phone. The ring they gave you is what you may need to attach to the back of your phone. Mine already has one with my charging system so that it has something magnetic to connect to. See how that's like, it's magnetic. So this is just a bit of steel and the magnet's in here, and then you attach that to the back of your phone, and that's how it stays on the back of the phone. Okay, next is the user manual right here. And there's a little QR code in there to scan. And then you decide if you want the app for iPhone or Android, USB, open in browser and download. And I want English, not Mandarin. There's the app. Signing up. Let's get, there you go. Okay, after you sign up, then it's going to want you to turn on the device, and then if it finds it, it does with Bluetooth. It says connect. It's now connecting. It says it's connected. Then we have several options. Record only, record and transcribe, simultaneously in interpretation. Okay, here we go. Membership. Become a member and improve efficiency. For Pro Plan, $69. Unlimited Pro Plan, $120. Then 120 minutes, $2, 600 minutes, $9, 3,000 minutes, 44, and so on. And it looks like starter plan is 400. I assume that's minutes per month. Let me put that up for you to see. That will be exhausting the free level first. Let's try record, and there we go. Start record. We're going to try record and transcription is what I'm going to try. Let's get up there. Record and transcription first. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's see if you can see it. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do a recording test in a very noisy environment. So right now, we'll switch it on. We'll slide switch. Switches it on. What you're seeing here is my past recording. So then, each time you have to connect it. So there we go. And now it's going to see and identify the unit. So I'll say connect. Bluetooth connecting. So there are a few steps to get ready. All right, and then now bring this up, and then I want to select the option to record and transcribe is the option I want. And then I'll start recording. Press the button. Now it's recording. It's a really noisy environment here. See a little blinking, and you see transcription occurring as well, okay? And now it's recording. And this is a test about recording in an extremely noisy environment. Now, I'm projecting my voice so it can be heard over the mic of the tablet that I'm using to record this and the unit. And we're going to talk about the Scuba business today. And I'll actually show it and record the meeting we have. And then when you're done, it will transcribe it. So then when you're done, you're going to press pause. Right? Okay. And we'll go back here. And there's the recording right there. The top recording. Funny, it's a little hard to select it through the camera. So then transcribe. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom to say start. Again, a few steps. Now it's going to start transcribing the text and give me several options, like a summary and a mind map of what I just did. Okay, there we go. We have that. There's the summary, the testing of the recording, summarizing it, organizing it. And then I can select this and see a mind map of it. It builds a mind map. And then I can copy and export. This just gives you a basic idea of how it works, and I want to demo it in an extremely noisy environment.